Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with criticism from a member of the Integrity Commission that Jamaica's anti-corruption strategies are not working. Former Contractor General Dirk Harrison, who is the acting director of corruption prosecutions at the Commission, says Jamaica runs the risk of suffering reputational damage unless decisive action is taken. However, Director of Public Prosecutions DPP seemingly had a different view.
Crime and corruption, a major inhibitor to growth in the Jamaican economy. Well, that's the view of many, including Professor of Caribbean Sustainable Development at the University of the West Indies, Dr. Anthony Clayton. He believes that not only has crimes like murders turned away investors, but questionable links with criminals is another issue.
In a few minutes, we have people in public life who help to create this problem with gangs and high levels of violence, and that link has never been yet severed, and that is still a challenge that we have yet to face. What, of course, that does is it undermines the moral authority of government.
For head of the Corruption Prosecution Division of the Integrity Commission, Dirk Harrison, in addition to that view, corruption continues in Jamaica because of the continued silence of oversight bodies.
The crime plans and the anti-corruption plans are not working. The major organized anti-corruption task force, MOCA, is yet to be fully operationalized, despite promises. The Integrity Commission that I'm a part of has not prosecuted a single person in 15 months.
He says while he and other members of the commission may have different views, he believes questions have to be asked of policymakers in relation to the shortcomings of these bodies.
Do the Integrity Commission and the police commissioner need more resources, financial and/or human, different skill sets, or different mindset or way of thinking? Or do they need new or amended laws? What short or long-term fixes are required? Has Parliament sought to address this shortfall? And if so, have they been successful? Or do they need to wheel and come again?
However, despite Mr. Harrison's position, Director of Public Prosecution, DPP, Paula Llewellyn, has a different view. She believes the justice system has been working as persons continue to be sentenced for varying crimes. She blasted those who thought otherwise, insisting that they were disillusioned by movies that suggest crime is solved overnight. She says her office is focused on two things:
the law and evidence. Personal emotion, personalities, we are not into it. So even if the court of public opinion or any other opinion would like to see the guillotined head of an individual on a platter, if there is no evidence to prosecute, to mount a viable prosecution, then as a matter of law, we have to say so.
She also praised the police, pointing out that based on proper investigation, more guilty pleas are being heard in court. Herman Green, TVJ News.